Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Gshock GWG-B1000 and I'm going to show you how to align your watch hands or sync your analog and digital time. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, unscrew the crown. Then pull it out to one click. There it is. Once your time or home city is shown over here, press and hold the altimeter button for about 5 seconds and release it until hand adjust appears on the screen. There it is. We heard the beep, and now our minute, hour and second hand should be aligned exactly at 12 o'clock. This engages the alignment of our minutes and hour hands as well as our second hand. Now, once these hands are aligned, we are going to press the mode button and we are in the position of aligning our hand over here on the 3 o'clock, and if it's not aligned correctly, I can use the crown to rotate it in fine increments until I get it to exactly 12 o'clock. There it is. Once I'm finished with aligning this hand over here, I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now I'm aligning the hand at the 9 o'clock position. Again, procedure is the same. By rotating the crown, you are fine adjusting the hand at 9 o'clock. As you can see, if I turn it in a couple of clicks, it will engage fast rotation. I'm gonna get it back to 12 o'clock exactly. Once I'm done with that, so now all of my hands are aligned at exactly 12 o'clock, I'm gonna simply push the crown back in, and the time on the watch is in the standard timekeeping mode. Screw the crown back in, and the watch is showing our current time and date. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.